Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy baked granola bars. There's only 4 ingredients in them and they are super quick and simple to put together. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. So I've got the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. I've lined a square baking dish with baking paper and make sure it's well greased. And now in the saucepan here we've got 125 grams, which is about 4 ounces of the unsalted butter. And to that we are going to add 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. And then about 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar, and this package has got just under, so that will do. That will be definitely more than sweet enough. And now we'll just pop this over medium heat and get the butter melted and get a nice golden mixture. So you can see the butter is just slowly melting away over there, and just heat it until the butter is completely melted and you have a smooth creamy mixture. Just like that. Look at that perfect creamy mixture. So we'll take it off the heat now. So now we're going to pop into a bowl 2 cups of oats, and we'll pour over that lovely buttery golden syrup mixture, and we'll just mix the syrup and butter through the oats, just get them all coated until it looks like this, like wet sand. That's kind of perfect. So I'll just get the baking dish out that I've lined. We'll pop the mixture in and then just press it all down. So just press all of the granola bars down, and when they're nice and smooth, then you can pop them into the oven, which again is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and pop them in for 20 to 25 minutes. But I'm going to put them in the oven and I'll show you once they're done. The granola bars are out of the oven and the house smells absolutely heavenly. Just allow them to cool slightly and then cut them into bars while they're still just slightly warm, and then allow them to cool completely before you can enjoy them. And just look at them, they're lovely and almost caramelized and crisp on the edges, and are just perfectly cooked to our liking, and just make a lovely snack sweet treat when we go out and about. I might take one for my kids and us all to just really enjoy, or just have it as a dessert at home, as something sweet after a meal. It's kind of perfect. But that is the video for today for how to make these lovely granola bars. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.